fighting through some tough Kansas winds in the mighty Beechcraft Bonanza.
It's a bumpy day. Oh yeah.
And a fully reworked Garmin glass panel. Let's go check it out. Isabella and I got the opportunity to attend the 2020 ACCAs at Stearman Field. We met lots of intriguing pilots who took us on flights in their unique airplanes.
Okay, you got the flight controls. Flight controls. Woo!
Man, is that electric? That's quiet. I like that.
What's it like out there, Corey?
It is bumpy.
Hot and bumpy, huh?
Hi, I'm Roger Roberts. I'm a retired cardiologist. And I started flying when I was 19 years old.
And so what's the plane we have here today?
This is a 1989 F33A Bonanza. I upgraded it, took all the old steam gauges out a year and a half ago, and put in all new Garmin glass cockpit. So it has a Garmin 500, TXI 500 and a GTN 750, a 345 Garmin transponder, and a G5 backup instrument. So it's really cool. Some of the benefits of the Bonanza, of course, built right here in town. Any qualified mechanic can work on it. It's not that expensive to maintain compared to some other hybrid aircraft. It's just a great solid airplane. Even though it's an old design, it's a fast, solid aircraft.
Well, I guess let's go fly.
Let's go have some fun. All right, mixture full rich. Drop full RPM, throttle fully forward. Fuel pump on to peak.
Clear prop.
Clear prop. It would be nice if I had a key.
We can do a second clear.
Clear number 2. Stearman traffic, Bonanza, 338 Mike, we back taxi runway 17 Stearman. And we're cycling the prop now.
Where are you going with that, Kev?
I don't know. Mag check. Right mag first. At 150 drop, so we're good. The left mag. We're good. Stearman traffic, Bonanza, 339 Mike, ready for immediate departure. Runway 17 Stearman, we'll be in the pattern. Rotate at 67.
It's all yours, man. I'm taking it home.
Pull it off at
It's
71.
the beach landing. It's gonna go out and do an instrument approach. Oh, okay. Are you getting current? Stay firm. Check right. I'll follow you on.
Wanting to fly. Pause ready to climb, gear up.
And Stearman Field traffic, Beechcraft 400 Zulus on the GPS runway 17 approach. Stearman Field.
Yeah, it's a bumpy day. Oh yeah.
Stearman traffic, Skyhawk 38 Foxtrot lining up for departure 17 Stearman.
So you climb at 110? I've got to keep it.
And 3
My silver head temps are 380, below 380. I've got to keep it. A hot day like this, I may have to turn on the...
Beechcraft 400 Zulu 3 mile final, GPS 17. Probably be a...
84, so...
approach. Runway's clear.
On the fuel pump. Way to climb. Stairs up, flaps are up. Good.
You got a beach jet on a mile final. Hold your position. Okay, we got him inside.
I got the beach jet.
Where is he?
Right there on final.
There he is. We're going to exit out to the northeast.
Okay.
German traffic, Bonanza 338 Mike. We'll be exiting to the northeast. We're on downwind.
Yeah, German traffic, 43 Alpha will be departing.
So do you use your autopilot a lot when you fly, or do you like to hand fly it?
I like to hand fly it, but I do it. Usually the autopilot just to stay familiar with it.
Yeah.
About 3,800 feet with a little smoother air.
That's really great awareness from that 500. That's a really nice clean panel.
Yeah. We'll go to 55 and then make some turns, then head it back.
Absolutely.
So I can do altitude select.
Garmin. Very cool.
Setting autopilot on. I'll climb us at 55.
Beautiful.
And then we can lean it out. I'm bringing back the mixture now.
Yeah.
We'll get down to about 13.2.
Wow, that's actually pretty great. And so you run Lena Peak?
Yes. Looking for a cap on each one of these cylinders. Our first cylinder, number 2 cylinder went. Go on. Ground speed 195 right now, but tailwind.
Wow, we are cruising. It actually did quite smooth up here.
German traffic 3A Foxtrot is turning right downwind 17.
There it is. I'd like to be about 10 to 20 degrees Lena Peak.
Yeah.
Right now we're 19. Probably lose about 5 to 6 knots by Lena Peak. Save a lot of fuel.
So this is the G500 XI or TXI?
What?
What's the name of the Garmin unit you have?
What's the name of this one?
Yeah.
Garmin 500, TXI 500.
Okay. Yeah, it's a great way to keep everything in one place. Especially when your engine gauges are across the panel.
It's your airplane.
My airplane, thank you. Well, it does fly very nice, I gotta say.
Oh. Down to 13.1 gallons an hour.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
This is an IO 520 engine.
And the TPO time is how long on these?
About 2,000.
2,000 hours? It's very similar. I flew the Beechcraft Debonair, and it's very similar.
Now this is the takeoff of the Debonair.
German traffic, Cherokee 7706 November turning right, base 17, German.
Light up those Christmas tree lights I have on the wheels.
Yeah.
They come down. Those LEDs are really bright.
Yeah, those LEDs are nice.
All right, we're at 2640 right now.
I think I see the field. Right, it's that right there.
That's it right there.
Yeah.
Now, did you say you flew this morning? Did you do any video today?
I have. I've flown in the Piper Cub and in the Stearman.
Oh, good.
No, sorry, the Stearman was yesterday in the Lockheed 12, the Electra.
Oh.
Got the hand fly too. It was like this. I think it was even bumpier. We were going 160 knots in that thing, and we just let it bump around.
German traffic Bonanza 52 runway, taking runway 7, be a turn out to the west.
Instrument traffic Bonanza 339 Mike on a short final 1.17 Stearman full stop. This is going to be a testy landing.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, YouTube is watching. So, what's the landing speed on this?
Full flaps, about 80 knots over the numbers.
Stearman traffic, 62 Tango is on a 2 mile final 17 graph. Stearman, this will be a touch and go.
I'm sure you'd want to keep extra speed on a day like this.
A little higher.
Yeah.
All right, lay me down. I'll take it. Could have been smoother, but I'll take it.
Pretty good for the conditions.
A lot of heat coming off that asphalt.
Yeah.
Stearman traffic Bonanza 3389 Mike's clear of the active.
62 Tango, short final 17 graph, Stearman.
Mike is taxiing on the runway, but it's just too busy.
Yeah. Oh, Roger, thanks.
Oh,
That was a blast. A very nice airplane you have.
the panel's hot. Whew.
Yeah.
Stearman traffic, R6 Juliet. Well, I'm going in the grass now, we're on his left crosswind.
Wow.
Correction. Right crosswind for 17 Stearman.
So after a nice yet bumpy flight, it was time to tow the Bonanza back into its shelter. I would like to say thanks once again to Roger for taking me up in his airplane. It's always a pleasure to get to experience flying in a different aircraft. And one last thing, check out how cool this electric tow bar is.